So what I have in front of me today are the Galaxy Buds Plus. So these recently just came out and they actually just arrived today. And I quickly just want to give you guys a quick unboxing, but more importantly, just quickly explain what these are and why I'm going to take a week to review them. So these are the predecessor of the first generation Galaxy Buds. Now these I've been using for, I would say, almost a year now. Now I may be using an iPhone, which I'm fine with using because I feel like the software has worked exactly just how I needed to for my needs. But the benefits with the new ones is you are gonna get a lot more updated software wise, but not only that, but the buds themselves are just updated all around. Not only does it have a bigger battery life, which is great because those batteries never died on me as it is, but you also now have two-way speakers for rich sounds, triple mics for voice calls. The voice calls were atrocious on the first pair, which is why I never use them for voice calls, so I'm really hoping I can finally use these to do that. And here are the buds themselves. So I got this new sky blue color that they have to offer, which is actually fairly nice. I didn't think it was gonna be this glossy though. This is definitely gonna be something I skin right away. I'm gonna definitely need to do that, such as this one is. But if you can see, they're both primarily the same case. Not much has changed at all, if not anything at all in the appearance wise. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool. What is new though is if you open the case as opposed to the first pair, you're gonna see that there are the LR inside the case is kind of like rounded now. I don't know what that means yet, so I'll figure that out. Maybe it does mean something, but that is like the most difference you're gonna see here. So with all the improvements that they made, I'm gonna take a week to basically go over and make sure that it is exactly up to par to what they're claiming. But I gotta say, I'm very, very excited, and especially because I do use an iPhone with these, I'm very excited to see just what kind of software updates they did for it to work flawlessly here the way they do on the Galaxy phones. But stay tuned for that because I also plan to use these on the new Galaxy phone, but we'll wait till that phone comes out and then we'll talk about it. So that was pretty much it. I just quickly want to let you guys know I got the pair. I'm gonna review them. Hopefully you guys stick around, watch the review, but I have high hopes for it. So if you're interested in the Galaxy Buds Plus, just give me a week and I'll be right back.